Interval training is a type of discontinuous physical training that involves a series of low to high intensity exercise workouts interspersed with rest or relief periods. The high intensity periods are typically at or close to anaerobic exercise, while the recovery periods involve activity of lower intensity. Interval training can be described as short periods of work followed by rest. The main aim is to improve speed and cardiovascular fitness. Interval training can refer to organization of any cardiovascular workout, and is prominent in training routines for many sports. It is a technique particularly employed by runners, but athletes in many disciplines use this type of training. Effectiveness: some experts believe aerobic interval training may benefit exercisers by allowing them to burn more calories in a shorter period of time, and by improving aerobic capability at a faster rate, when compared with continuous intensity exercise. In addition, some exercisers find interval training less monotonous than continuous intensity exercise. Interval training can be an effective means of enhancing an athlete's lactate threshold. Lactate threshold has been shown to be a significant factor determining performance for long-distance running events. This method of training may be more effective at inducing fat loss than simply training at a moderate intensity level for the same duration. This is due to the metabolism-boosting effects of high-intensity intervals. Variations: walk-back sprinting is one example of interval training for runners, in which one sprints a short distance, then walks back to the starting point to repeat the sprint a certain number of times. To add challenge to the workout, each of these sprints may start at a predetermined time interval, for example 200-meter sprint, walk back, and sprint again every 3 minutes. The time interval provides just enough recovery. A runner will use this method of training mainly to add speed to their race and give them a finishing kick. Fartlek training, named and developed by Swedes, is intermediate between true interval training and regular distance training. The name means speed play, and consists of distance running anywhere, with bursts of harder running at more irregular points, lengths and speeds compared with interval training. Supporters of this discipline state that fartlek is an efficient training method, helping a person to avoid injuries that often accompany non-stop, repetitive activity, stating also that it provides the opportunity to increase a person's intensity without extenuating in a matter of minutes. See also, hyperventilation training, continuous training, high-intensity interval training, long slow distance, VO2 max. References. External links: U.S. News & World Report on interval training.